element, then you need to add +1. Again, next element, then you need to add +1. So that way you need to iterate the entire list here. And every time you need to add +1, +1, +1. So same way guys, here also, I need to get that particular element first. So I need to iterate it. So I'll write here for I in LST. Correct? Every I should be divided, right? Let me take one variable code. I'm telling that answer equals to every I should be divided by max element. Correct? And once it is divided by max element, I need to append this to the list. So I'll write here result dot append. I'm writing here answer. Now shall I return the result? See guys, each value in the list in between 0 to 1. Clear? But the problem here is what guys? -0 is coming now. Yes or no? -0, -0.3695. Is it in the range of 0 to 1? How to handle this case? Question samjha? Everyone understood the question? No. So I need to put one condition guys. जहां पे नेगेटिव है उसको आपको पॉजिटिव बनाना है. करेक्ट. सो कैन यू हैंडल दैट वन गाइस? आप इसको हैंडल कर लोगे. इफ कंडीशन पुट करना है, इफ आई इज बिकमिंग नेगेटिव मींस लेस देन 0, then you multiply with a -1. That's it. Okay guys, let's take one more simple question. I hope guys everyone understood this question. Simple question tha. Okay, let's take now, write a program to find the missing number. Correct? Write a program to find the missing number. Let's say guys you have given a list. 1 to n number given hai, right? Let's say I am taking n equals to 5. Correct? So let's take I'm having a number called 1, 2, 2, 3, let's say 4, 5. This is the kind of a number I have. So you need to find a missing number and duplicate. Missing number and duplicate. Okay. Listen, one thing is, this is the list given to you. First of all, understand the intuition. This is the list given to you. This is the 1, 2, 2, 4, 5. Correct. So my n value is 5. That's why I'm taking a number from 1 to 5. Correct? It based on the list, which list you are passing. If you are passing the list of 10, n value will be 10. Correct, like that. So you know that list index will start with a 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And remember one thing is, the numbers in the list must be in the sequence. हमेशा वो sequence में ही रहेंगे. That's the reason they have asked the missing number or duplicates here. Correct? Now in this case, we know guys the duplicate is 2. Correct? Output is 2. Duplicate is 2. And what is the missing number? Missing number is 3. Correct. Now how to crack this logic? Very simple guys. इसलिए मैंने index लिखा हुआ. Same element. Any other answer guys? Guys, actually this question we call it as the swap sort. Very famous question. सोचिए गैस थोड़ा सा कि द नंबर्स आर इन द सीक्वेंस, तो आप देखोगे कि 0th पोजीशन पे मेरा फर्स्ट एलिमेंट प्रेजेंट है, फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे मेरा सेकंड एलिमेंट प्रेजेंट है, तो सेकंड पोजीशन पे थर्ड एलिमेंट प्रेजेंट होना चाहिए, करेक्ट? यस और नो? इंडेक्स इज अ जीरो गाइस, आई एम टेलिंग दैट इंडेक्स इज आई, उसका एलिमेंट है i+1, दिस इज द लॉजिक, correct? So I'm telling that at a 0th index 1 is present, at a first index 2 is present, correct? At a second index 3 must be present, guys, right? So that's why this is the missing number 3, and the element, the number is available at this position will be a duplicate number. So, आगे जाइए 3, at the third position 4 should be there na, 3+1, at a fourth position 5 should be there, 4+1, correct? So what's the logic guys, जहां पे भी आपको पता है कि because the number are in the sequence 1 to n, right? That's the reason we know that कि every index will contains the element index plus 1. Got the logic guys everyone? Last row. हाँ guys, how to write this one now? अगर आपको logic समझा तो you can write it. Obviously you need to iterate the list on the basis of index. हाँ तो लिखिए finding a missing and duplicates. Try guys, you will get a good sort of question guys. I'm preparing a structured assignment for you as per the yesterday's feedback, है ना? We'll give the question beginner, intermediate, only intermediate, all the questions, right? So you try to solve sequence wise, that is also fine. But मेरा फिर से आपको suggestion है guys, always try to do a context switching. अभी मैंने loops का किया ना, थोड़ी देर बाद मुझे recursion का करना है, एक साथ में करोगे ना तो your mind will work in a same direction. आपको कॉन्टेक्स्ट स्विचिंग इसलिए करना है कि इन द इंटरव्यू फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन विल बी पाइथन, सेकंड क्वेश्चन विल बी रैग, थर्ड क्वेश्चन विल बी द न्यूरल नेटवर्क, फोर्थ क्वेश्चन विल बी द ओवरफिटिंग एंड अंडरफिटिंग इन मशीन लर्निंग. सो दैट मच कॉन्टेक्स्ट स्विचिंग यू हैव टू डू, राइट? तो थोड़ा अभी से आदत डालोगे तो यू विल गेट अ मेंटल जिम्नास्टिक जो चाहिए. तो कभी भी आप कभी एप्टीट्यूड सॉल्व किए होंगे ना प्लेसमेंट के लिए, तो आप क्या करते हो कि रेशियो प्रपोर्शन लिया तो सारे रेशियो के क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर दोगे, और आपका क्रैक नहीं होता एप्टीट्यूड. उसका रीजन ही वही है कि आपने सिर्फ एक ही वे में स्टडी किया. यू हैव टू ऑलवेज डू अ कॉन्टेक्स्ट स्विचिंग टू गेट अ मेंटल जिम्नास्टिक, तो ही आप एक क्वेश्चन से दूसरे क्वेश्चन पे तुरंत स्विच हो जाओ, राइट? अदरवाइज आप स्ट्रगल करो. फाइन गेस. हाँ, डुप्लीकेट एंड मिसिंग वैल्यू बोथ यू हैव टू रिटर्न गेस. You have to return both duplicate and missing value. So do I need to iterate the loop directly for I in a range of len of lst? Why I'm using a range function guys? Because based on the index only you are having the element value here. हाँ. अब क्या लिखूं guys? ये आपके सामने है, मैं फिर से लिख देता हूं क्वेश्चन. लेट्स टेक मैं यही लिस्ट पास कर रहा हूं. लेट्स टेक आई एम पासिंग अ लिस्ट 1 2 2 क्या है 4 5. This is the list I am passing, correct? So this is the 0th index, this is the first index, this is the second index, this is the third, and this is the fourth. So guys, every index will contains the I plus one element. जहां पे index is not contains the I plus one element, that position the element is missing, as well as that position there will be a duplicate value. तो मैं simply क्या करूंगा guys, if I क्या लिखूं, I equals to I is not equals to I plus one. Listen guys, simple सा logic है. You are having a I plus one as an element now. You are starting from a zero. So I plus one equals to, what should I need to check? Can I check like this? I plus one equals to LST of I. ऐसे चेक कर सकता हूं? हाँ बोल रहे हो, बढ़िया. देखो ना गैस, देखिए, दिस इज द 0th वन, आपका वन प्रेजेंट है. प्रॉब्लम कहां पे है? यहां पे प्रॉब्लम है, राइट? सो व्हाट शुड बी द कंडीशन? क्या कंडीशन हो सकती है? बोला. LST of I is not equals to I plus one. Okay. Any other? Obviously, guys, this is what? This is your LST of 2. LST of 2 should be 3, na? Huh? LST of 2 should be 3, na? But what is there? 2. So that will be the condition. So what should I write here? If LST of I is not equals to I plus 1. यदि ऐसा है तो I need to return a missing and I need to return the duplicates. So what should I return now? I plus 1. Fine guys, correct hai? This return statement inside the if correct hai? Let me run it. Getting guys? 2, 3. But guys, मान लीजिए अब multiple element है missing और duplicate. Will it work? For example, ऐसे है. Let's take you are having a list equals to 1, 2, 2, 4, 5, 5. Let's take 7, 8. Multiple element. Will it work? The code we have written, will it work for this case? 1, 2, 2 लिखता हूं मैं. LST equals to क्या है? 1, 2, 2, 4, 5, 5, 7, 8. Let me call this one, guys. Let me put it here, LST1. This is also LST1. It is returning only 2, 1 now. So do I need to write print there? Print लिखूं I plus 1. Getting, guys? I hope everyone is getting. Simple question. Guys, I'm telling that this question asked many times, right? Not for a data science role, for a software development role. Very famous question hai. Swap sort. Okay, let's take now. I have one more question. Let's take. Just get comfortable, guys. पहले इसी question पे, then we'll move towards the matrix questions, है ना? पहले इसी पे comfortable हो जाइए, right? We'll take the matrix question on another day, है ना? Let's take write a program to find the, let's take complex हो गया. Let's take, guys. Let's take sure. Let me take a list. Let's check. This is the kind of a list I have. Correct. Now, what I'm trying to say, I have a one function lst dot pop. Correct. If I use this pop function, it is returning me the last element of a list. And if I print a list, it is returning as well as removing the last element of a list. Pop function is returning as well as removing the last element of a list. But suppose I'm writing lst dot pop of 1. What it is doing, guys? If you specify the index, that index element it is returning as well as removing. Correct. So guys, first of all, I wanted to implement this function by using loop, right? And then we'll think using recursion, right? So I wanted to implement my pop function, first of all, right? Which will do a same thing here, right? If I didn't specify the element here, if I didn't specify the index here, it will return the last element and remove the last element from the list. Otherwise, if I specify the index, it will return, remove that particular element and return. Okay, guys, anyone? So let me write def my pop. So if I didn't pass any element, it has to return the last element. If I specify means it has to return that particular element. So guys, इस logic को लिखोगे कैसे in the case of function? I will take one here index parameter. ठीक है? So what I will do guys, देखिए सिंपल सी करते हैं कि मैं इंडेक्स को ना एक इनिशियलाइजेशन कर देता हूं. इंडेक्स इक्वल्स टू कर दो आप -1 कुछ भी जो भी है, या फिर इंडेक्स इक्वल्स टू नन कर दीजिए. If that index equals to none, you return the last element and remove it. Correct? But guys, delete मत use करना. You create another list, iterate, add it into the second list, except that particular element. ठीक है? हमने delete पढ़ा है क्या? फिर कैसे यूज करोगे? हम्म हम्म चलेगा. बोला. आइटरेट कर भाऊ. सेकेंड लिस्ट क्यों ना? लिस्ट उस एलिमेंट को छोड़ के ऐड करना. Let me pass index equals to initially none. If index equals to